Hello, everyone. We're thrilled to introduce our new integration with WhatsApp on Latenode. This personal account integration allows you to receive events from your WhatsApp, start new chats, send messages to various chats, and access information about your messages, chats, and contacts. Let's begin with authorization. We're navigating to the authorization section to create a new WhatsApp personal account connection. Note that this is a paid feature, costing 10 plug-and-play tokens per month. Upon proceeding, an authorization window opens where we need to scan the QR code to continue with the connection. I'm currently scanning the QR code with my phone, linking the device to my account. After waiting a few seconds, our new connection is successfully established. We'll name it Demo Account for WhatsApp and create a scenario using this personal account connection. Let's start with messages. We're adding our new connection here and saving this. After deploying the trigger, we'll wait for events to emit. Next, let's start a new chat. We'll add the same connection and one of my contacts to whom we'll send a message. Hi, this is a demo text. We can also add a subject for demo. Attachments can be added if necessary. Once the chat is successfully created, it will be visible in the WhatsApp account. Let's send a message to this chat. We're adding a new note to send a message to the chat. The chat has already been created, so we're adding the same connection and sending a text. Hi, how are you? This is a test message from the demo. In the output, we can see a message ID and the object that has been sent. The message has successfully been sent and can be viewed in WhatsApp. We can retrieve information about this chat from the Get Chat node or from any other chat we need information about. We can see the last message, any attachments if they exist, and all information regarding the time, the name, and so on. Let's move forward and check the list of attendees from a chat. We can see my colleague Ryan in the output, along with his picture URL and his ID, which can be used in other notes. We can list all chats from the WhatsApp account and even filter to see only unread chats. For instance, we currently have 22 unread chats and 1 urgent chat. If needed, we can filter these chats and set limits. Let's move forward. We can also list all messages from any chat from the respective sender. In case we need to, let's select my colleague again and limit the search to 1. Unfortunately, there are no items because I don't have any messages from my colleague. However, let's try another sender ID from which I definitely have messages. Yes, there it is. The latest message with the text that was sent to me just now. Moving forward, we can list messages from a specific chat. By inputting a connection and obtaining a chat ID, we can even set up a sender if the chat has multiple attendees. Although it's possible to filter it here, it's not currently necessary. Here, we can see a lot of conversation history and the latest message from this contact. We can also see that an event has been triggered. Indeed, a message has been received into my account, visible from one of these chats. There are 2 messages from 2 attendees within this chat. Moving forward, that concludes our session. It's our hope that you will enjoy this integration. Thank you.